Good day doctor, I am Durekanan Lokesh. In this video, I am going to explain the examination of nose, mouth and neck. First, I am going to explain the examination of nose with the patient health history in mind. After the good hand hygiene, I am going to start the nose examination. First, examine the anterior and inferior surface of the nose. Look for symmetry or any deformities that rest for obstruction by pressing the ala one by one in each side and ask the patient to breathe in. Then tilt the head back and press gently in the tip of the nose and shine a light into the vestibule to get a partial view of each nasal vestibule. Then use otoscope with large cap to inspect the inside of the nasal passage. Repeat the procedure on both passage one by one. Note color and condition of the nasal and mucus and middle and inferior tubercinate. After that, palpitate the tenderness of four sinuses by pressing the frontal sinus and the maxillary sinus. Next, I am going to explain the examination of mouth. First, ask the patient to remove lipstick or denture if they use any. Wearing gloves, first examine the outer surface of the lips and look for symmetry, color, moisture and note any lumps, cracks or scaling in the lips area. Then, with good lightening and help of tongue blade, inspect the oral mucus on both sides and also inspect the teeth. Then with clawed thumb and index finger, examine the patient teeth if there is any loose or lead to the risk of aspiration, especially in the older adult. Then inspect the color and architecture of the hard plate by asking the patient to say ah. Note the movement of soft plate and uvula. Then use tongue blade. Inspect the anterior and posterior pillar and pharynx. Then examine the patient tongue. Note its symmetry and color and inspect its dorsal surface using the glove squat. Pull the patient tongue left and right to examine the under surface of the tongue. Palpate the tongue with left hand and feel in for any induration. Next, I am going to explain the examination of neck. To begin the examination of neck by inspect for symmetry and note any mass or scary. Then palpate the lymph node and look if there is any tenderness. Pre-auricular, posterior auricular, occipital, subtonsillar, submandibular, submental, superficial cervical and posterior cervical nodes. Then inspect the trachea for deviation. Compare the space on each side and it should be symmetric. Then start the examination of the patient thyroid. With the help of light, we can see the lower border of the thyroid gland. Then ask the patient to extend his neck back and sweep some water and note the upward movement of thyroid gland and note its symmetry. Then to confirm the visual observation by palpating the thyroid. First the isthmus, then the adjacent right and left lobe of isthmus. Then move behind the patient, ask the patient to sweep some water and feel the movement of isthmus beneath your finger. If the thyroid gland is enlarged, listen the lateral lobe with stethoscope to detect bruit sound which is similar to cardiac murmur.